Welcome to the next session on MATLAB Basics. In this session, we will take up the next decision-making statement of MATLAB, that is nested if. It is always legal in MATLAB to nest if-else statements, which means you can use one if or else if statement inside another if or else if statements. The syntax for a nested if statement is as follows. If given expression, then again if this is true, then you can go to another if statement. This will execute when the Boolean expression 2 is true, and then it will end. You can nest else in the similar way as you have nested the if statements. So suppose if I have A is 100, B is 200, check the Boolean condition. If A is equal to 100, then it will go to the next one. B should be equal to 200 as it is given here. So you can see this is 200, so it is equal. So what it will print is value of A is 100 and B is 200. Suppose if you give here some other value and it is not equal to 200, then it will directly come out of the loop and it will print exact value of A is this value 100 and exact value of B is this value. So if the values are 100, 200 and these are also 100, 200, if you understand, then this statement will be printed. If not, then these two statements will be printed. So let's copy this and take it to MATLAB. New script. I'll save it as C6. Let's run it. You can see here this A is 100, B is 200. Since 100 is equal to 100 and 200 is also equal to 200, so this statement has got printed here. And also these two will get printed. But suppose if I change this value, say I change it to 20, if I now run C6, I'll get the exact value of A is 100 and exact value of B is 20. You can see this statement has not got printed again when I run the program for the second time. The reason being the value of B is 20 and not 200. Similarly, you can try it for A and change it to 10. So suppose if I run the program again, I'll get the exact value of A is 10 and the value of B is 20. And suppose if I change this to 200 and run it again, it would again give me these two values. So until and unless I don't use 100 and 200, I will not get this statement to be true. So let's try it again. You can see here the value of A is 100, B is 200, exact value of both are also printed. So with this I end the session. I hope you have understood how to use nested if statement of MATLAB. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.